Do it for you. Caillou, what's that funny noise? It was time for bed. Mommy tucked Caillou and kissed him good night. Sleep well, Caillou. See you in the morning. Mommy turned out the lights and closed the door. Caillou closed his eyes and tried to sleep. But he heard a funny scratching noise in his room, and he saw shadows on the blanket. Caillou reached for the flashlight from his night table drawer. Caillou called Mommy. Mommy came right away. What's the matter, Caillou? He pointed at the shapes on his bed. Monsters, Mommy. Look! Mommy looked at the bed and then she looked at the window. Those are just shadows from the window, she told Caillou. Caillou felt better, but what was the noise? Listen, he whispered to Mommy, there is a monster going squitch, scratch, squitch. Let me take a look at Caillou. Mommy said. Mommy scratched all around the room. She also checked in the closet. There aren't any monsters here, Caillou, Mommy said. Monsters are just make-believe. Mommy went back to her bed. Caillou sang a little song. I'm not afraid of monsters. I'm not afraid of monsters. Suddenly, the squitch-scratch sound began again. Caillou jumped up and got out of his bed. Something soft fell on the top of him. Caillou called out for Daddy. Daddy turned on the lights. The soft thing was only Caillou's toy snake. But there was a real monster here too. Caillou instigated. Daddy had a good look around the room. There is nothing, Caillou. Let's play your music box to help you fall asleep. Caillou tried to settle down. Soon the music stopped and the scratch sound began again. Caillou called out for Mommy, Daddy, the monster's here. Caillou jumped out of his bed. The bedroom door opened. Caillou saw something in the doorway. Caillou thought it was a monster with two hands. Then Daddy turned on the light. It wasn't a monster at all. It was Mommy and Daddy standing together in the doorway. But what about that squitch-scratch noise? Look, Caillou, Daddy explained. The wind has been making the tree branches hit the window. That's what the funny noise was. Mommy said somewhere ordinary things can seem scary until you know what they are. Just then something rushing out from under the bed. It was brown and it made a crackling noise. It was Gilbert in a paper bag. That's not a monster, loud Caillou. That's my cat. You'll be able to sleep fine now, said Mommy. Here, Caillou, said Daddy. Teddy will help you sleep. Daddy put Teddy on Caillou's shoulders. Teddy's paws were covering Caillou's ears. No more funny noises, just Caillou and his Teddy tucked into bed. Night, Daddy, night, Mommy, said Caillou. Soon he'll be fast asleep. Thank you for listening to the story. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And please leave a comment below.